Hi guys, my name is Dylan. So today let's talk about the importance of having facilities in your condo. If it's for own stay, I think it's very important as well because the one who is paying the mortgages or the rent, they want to enjoy, relax, leisure or something ma. But then if it's for investment, particularly Airbnb projects, right? It's very important because these kind of facilities will then attract people to come over to your place for a short stay. So for example, especially those near KLCC or near some beach theme one, you need to have a resort style, colonial style, or maybe modern minimalist style whatsoever in terms of their facilities. So all this attracts people's eyes, through booking.com or whatsoever. But then for long-term rental, then it's different. Long-term rental for facility-wise, it's not the main selling point. The main selling point of it is still because of your location, how near is it to MRT, LRT, how near is it to the mall, how near is it to job opportunities location. So facilities then is around in the middle, importance wise. Always take note about not being too over excited on having too fancy facilities. It depends on your portfolio as well. My name is Dylan, I'll see you next video. Bye bye.